Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Amrita University. First, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser and in the top URL section right over here, type down Amrita University and enter it after you're done. And you could see from the search results, we have to click the first option that says Amrita School of Business. And on the top right corner, there's an apply now option. Click on this option again. And here we could see we'll get an option like this that says login if already registered. Simply type down your email as well as your password. But if you have forgotten your password, we have this option that says forgot password and it will help you recover your password and reset your password. And after this, click on this option that says sign in and you'll be successfully logged into your Amrita University. But if you have not enrolled or registered to your account, we also have this option that says new candidate. Click on this option and you have to register your email ID, mobile number, email, your password, and you have to create a password and retype again. And after that, you just so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.